In today's lecture, we are going to fetch API for forgot password. For that, I'm just going to open user slice. I will copy this entire update password function and below this I'm just going to paste. Before that, let me open user controller. Scroll up. This is our function request password reset. So inside this, we are also having message property. Okay, fine. Now here, I will change the function name. I will give the function name as forgot password and action type. I will be passing forgot password and inside this I am only accepting email. So I will pass email. Then inside these headers we are going to pass application JSON and here let me just check user routes and for forgetting the password we have passed post request. So here I will be changing to post. And what route we have to pass? We have to pass slash password forgot. I will copy and inside this I'm just going to paste. Then here I will be passing email and then I'm just going to pass config. And finally I'm just going to return data from this route. And if I'm having any error, accordingly I'm just going to access that error message. And now we are having message property. So this entire thing I will be wrapping inside parenthesis inside which I will be passing message. Now come down. From here I will be adding all these cases and below this I'm just going to paste. And here I will be passing the comment update. Inside this I'm just going to pass forgot password. Here I will change forgot password, copy. Here I will be pasting and also here I will be pasting. If it is loading, we don't have to change anything. If it is fulfilled, okay, we have access success. Now inside this user controller, we are also having message. Same line I will copy. Here I will be passing message, copy and inside this I will be pasting. So from payload, I will access message when this action is fulfilled. And finally, for this rejected case, loading will be false and message we are going to access. If we are not having any message, then here I will write email sent failed. Now same message I will copy and inside this function I will be passing. Remove this. In place of that, I will write email sent failed.